A Bingo app cannot send money directly to your bank account just because you win a round. Withdrawals depend on the app's payment system, account verification, eligibility rules, and available payout methods. For 2026, the safest way to compare these apps is to check whether bank account withdrawals are actually supported in your location, rather than trusting a claim that an app pays instantly. The first thing to check is the withdrawal method. Open the app's cashier or withdrawal section and look for bank transfer, bank account, or another clearly identified banking option. If the only options are gift cards or third-party wallets, it does not meet the direct-to-bank requirement. Second, check identity verification. Real money gaming platforms can require personal information before allowing withdrawals. Make sure the name on your account matches the information required for the payment method. Third, check the minimum withdrawal amount. Do not assume that every balance can be withdrawn immediately. The app's current withdrawal page should show the applicable minimum and any other conditions. Fourth, check processing times. A withdrawal request being submitted does not necessarily mean the money reaches your bank immediately. Processing can involve both the gaming platform and the financial institution. Finally, check whether the service is legal and available where you live. Real Money Bingo and similar gaming services can have location restrictions, age requirements, and different payment rules. For your own comparison, create 5 columns: bank transfer availability, minimum withdrawal, verification requirements, processing time, and location eligibility. Then compare the current information directly inside each app or on its official website. Also, separate promotional balances from withdrawable balances. Some bingo apps use coins, chips, tickets, or bonus credits that are designed for gameplay rather than direct cash withdrawal. A visible balance does not automatically mean you can transfer that amount to your bank. If an app asks you to pay an unusual release fee, send money to unlock a withdrawal, or provide sensitive banking information through an unofficial message, stop and verify the request through the platform's official support channel. The key points are simple: confirm bank transfer support, check withdrawal conditions, and verify the service is available in your location. Before depositing money, open the current withdrawal terms and confirm exactly how withdrawals work. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 Bingo app guides.